beautiful people, how's it going? I hope you're all doing it really, really well. Today it is my birthday and I thought I would come on and show you guys what I got for my birthday. This is by no means a bragging video. How do I turn my phone on silent? I don't know if that's worked or not. This is just me showing you what Ben and the kids have got me. It's not a massive haul by any stretch of the imagination. We haven't gone mad this year with presents. He's just got me a few lovely bits, and the kids have picked me some specific bits, and I thought I would show you. So if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. I am a bit under the weather. My brain is not working. I've not got COVID. I've had negative tests. It's just a generic cough and cold, which is no fun. Yeah, I'll show you what I got. So the first thing Ben got me was Cards Against Disney. If anyone knows, Cards Against Humanity is a game which we have, and then I also bought Ben an extension pack, but this is different. This is Cards Against Disney. So for an example, this is for over 18s only. This is not something you play with your children, young children anyway. So one person, if you don't know how to play, one person picks either on Cards Against Humanity, it's a black card, on this one it's a red card, and it says I'm blank and you're watching the Disney Channel. So then everyone else that's playing has a certain amount of white cards, and they have to pick the most funniest one so it sounds up. So it says, so for example, someone could do this and I would read them as a pair. So I'd say I'm, and then this card says getting a rim job from Lightning McQueen and you're watching the Disney Channel. So you get the idea. It looks really, really fun, and I can't wait until we can have some friends round or our family on Boxing Day and we will play that and have a super, super fun time. I'm very excited. That is awesome. Anything I can find that he's got me, I will link it down below. I've no idea. I've never seen this before, so that's awesome. He got me a sky planter, which is a pot that enables you to plant any plant in it. You plant it this way and then you hang it upside down and it will grow and it waters itself, and it looks really clever. This is what it looks like, and it will hang like that. And yeah, you just apparently can put any house plant in it. Tells you exactly how to do it on the inside. I haven't really looked at it properly yet, but that looks really fun. And anyone knows me, I love houseplants. And they're slowly having to move all of them upstairs though, because the bloody cats keep jumping in them. And the cats aren't allowed upstairs at the moment because they keep weeing everywhere. One of them does. One little one keeps just pissing. Found him the other day weeing behind the kitchen island. Picked him up to put him on his litter box, thinking he'd stop, and he didn't. He just pissed the whole way across the kitchen like a fountain of wee. And I put him in his litter box, and then he continued to wee in there as well. So until he stops doing that, which I think will probably happen after they all get neutered, then they'll be allowed upstairs. But for the meantime, all my plants are coming upstairs to be safe from them jumping on them. Next, he got me a perfume. I have not worn perfume since before I had the girls. I think I tried with Mika and she had such bad eczema, I just couldn't. And then I was breastfeeding Aria, so I didn't. And I just haven't worn it since. And I went to a perfume shop maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 months ago, and I let them give me some testers. And I really liked this one. However, I think it's beautiful. It's Carolina Herrera Good Girl. However, the bottle is fucking horrible. I'm going to be keeping it in the box because the bottle is one of the ugliest bottles I've ever seen in my entire life. Like, literally could not look any tackier if it tried. Horrible. But the perfume smells incredible. So that will just be living in the box on my shelf. That's beautiful. Ben took the girls to a crystal shop, Witchy shop in the city, and they picked me some stuff each. So Aria picked me this candle holder, which is a little cat, and she picked me some black beeswax candles, spell candles, which are really cute. Mika picked me a bat candle holder and some lilac beeswax candles. This one, lilac is for meditation, psychic abilities, and the black is for absorbing negative energy. And they also picked me some incense. Mika got me dragon's blood, and Aria got me the Night Queen, and this smells incredible. I've had loads of dragon blood. I love dragon's blood. But this one, the Night Queen, oh my goodness, smells absolutely amazing, and apparently it's really good for sleep. So I'm going to be lighting them tonight before I go to bed, because oh my god, I don't know how to shut off the noise on my phone. It's a new phone. I have no idea how to. It's this weird one that bends, and I don't know how to make it. I don't know how to make it not noisy. So I'm just going to put it under a pillow. Next up, he got me a bat, a beautiful hand painted bat, which is just lovely. I don't like real bats, they're terrifying. Alive bats really scare me, but I've got a taxidermy bat, and I've got a big metal bat. I've got lots of little bats hanging around the house, so I like things like this. So that's lovely. This is going to go on my wall up here. I will show you in a minute. I've got a new setup. I've had to move all my work stuff upstairs as well, because trying to work with the kittens and my desk in the kitchen was just impossible. Like trying to make cards and they were jumping on them and biting them, and trying to make jewellery and stuff, and they were just ridiculous. So I bought a second-hand bureau dresser thing, and I've got my printer up here, I've got all my cards up here so I can work up here, type, got my laptop and everything all next to my bed. I can literally sit on my bed and use it as a desk, so I'll show you that in a second. He got me a voodoo doll. I won't obviously do the magic with this one. I won't be practicing voodoo, but Ben didn't know that, so he just thought this was a cute witchy thing, which is what it will be used for. Really, really cute little dolly. He got me some crystals. I can't remember what he said this one was called. It's a heart. I don't know, but I can't remember what it's called. I'll put it on the screen. He did tell me, but I can't remember. And this one is not smoky quartz. Again, I can't remember what this one is. He thought it was rose quartz, but it's not rose quartz. It's something else. But it is beautiful. I think it's a skull. Look at my nail. All those beautiful, all my real nails. And then this fucker broke at the weekend. But yeah, he got me that, which is lovely. He got me some geodes. These are unbroken geodes, and you smash them open with a hammer, and inside should hopefully be a beautiful geode. The girls are really excited about this one as well, because they love all the crystals and stuff. He got me a Fenty lipstick because I requested one. This is the Fenty, what are they called? Plush matte lipstick, and this is in the colour fucking black, and it's just a black Fenty lipstick. I've got I've got the liquid one that I've had for a few years, but that's on its way out. So this is a bullet one. I love these. I've got I think I've got 6 different colours of these now, and they're so comfy to wear and they last really well, so I did ask for that. And then the last thing he got me is a terrarium. Look at this. And it's got the moss, and then it's got a little flower. He got this from a shop in the city, I think. I will put that on the screen because I think they've got an Instagram. But apparently they do all different ones. You can take your own jar in and then they'll make you one up. He said in a couple of weeks I'll need to just take the lid off and give it a little spray, but super, super cute, and that's going to live upstairs as well, so the cats can't get it. Let me just take you off this and I will show you my little corner set up here. So let me just move my Coke out the way. I've got lots of, the girls made me loads of birthday cards as well, which is lovely. So it's like this. It's got drawers. It's obviously second hand. It's got some marks on it. This one is stuck. We need to sand that, but this one comes, you pull this one out when you want to do that. So I've got all my card stuff in here, and then I've got my printer over there now, and then let me pull this out, and then obviously I can use this as a desk. I can just sit at my bed like this and type. And I've got my laptop here, my notebooks, a box of rocks, because why would you not have rocks, some pens, my memory cards and stuff, my chargers and things, and then I've got some of my books, my oracle cards, some envelopes, some ready-made cards that I've already done. Then I've got my my altar on this one, which I will go through at a later date. And then I've got my book of shadows, and then I've got all ingredients, a nice creepy doll up there, and then I've got more ingredients at the top and a couple of shelves here. Yeah, so that is my little setup. I absolutely love it. It's really nice to work out. We've only had this up for like 4 days, but it's working really nicely so far, and I can work here without the kids getting on me or the cats getting on me. So yeah, that's my little setup area. I just thought I would show you. Get on there, camera. The camera doesn't want to go on the hook for some reason. Yeah, let me know what you think. If I put anything on the screen and I haven't listed it, just let me know down below and I can list it for you. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.